Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how you can connect your PayPal account to your Discord account. Just watch carefully and you will be able to do it. So go to Google and search for Discord, and here open up your Discord account. I'm already logged in, so it is saying open Discord for me, but you can just type in your details and then log in. And after logging into your account, go to your account settings, and here on the left hand side you will see a list of options. Among them, just click on this option of billing, and here you will see this option of add payment method. Just click on it, and you will see this option of PayPal. Click on it, so after trying again it just opened up, and just type in your details here, then click on login. Then PayPal will ask you to add different details, and after filling in your details and debit card detail, you can click on add. And that's how you can connect your PayPal account to your Discord account. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.